Okay, see here. So for you, the geography, the first chapter is so resources. Okay, so the meaning for these resources. So we have discussed many times in the 7th class also resources. So what is the meaning for resource? So resources is nothing but, so these are the needs which are essential for survival of human beings. So these are the needs which are essential for survival of human beings are called as resources. Okay. So example just to move forward. Yes. So here there are some examples are given. So resources. So there is some conversation is given here. Two peoples are there. So Mona and Raju were helping Amma to clean their house. So look at all these things: clothes, utensils, food grains, okay, combs. So this bottle of honey, books. Each of this has use. So here, what is the example here means? So resources. Resources is nothing but, so whatever the daily needs we require for the survival, so they are called as the resources. So example, whatever you see in our surroundings, okay, whatever daily needs is there, so they are considered as the resources. Okay, example, suppose if you want to make a table, then wood is required. So for making of wood, for getting of this wood, trees are required. That is called as forest. So forest is also considered as one of the resource. Suppose if you are having some glass, so here some things is there. Okay, some glass or some plate example. So for making of plates, we require some steel. So steel is also considered as one of the resource. Okay. Next example. So whatever it may be. So everything considered as the resource. Not only this one. Suppose if you want to ride any vehicle, so we require some petrol. So that is also called as resource. Okay. Not only resources belongs to the things. So sometimes they also belongs to the human beings. Even we are considering human beings also one of the resource. Why means because suppose one educated person is there and some other person is uneducated. Then if you compare these both persons, so who is having more talent to survive means the educated person. So that indicates what? So that indicates that the human is also considered one of the resource. So that's why human resource also must be improved. Okay, so like that. So here list out 5 resources you use in your home and 5 you use in your classroom. So just this is a given example. So whatever the resources are there, you are using in your school or your home. So just at least 5 names. Okay. So in exam they may ask for 1 or 2 marks questions. That is give examples for any resources. Okay. So you can give whatever the examples you have, whatever you can remember, so that you can give the examples. Next. So here perfect definitions are given for resource. So here we can see this: water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable, textbook, having some common, having something in common. They have all been used by you, so they have utility. So for any resource that should have utility, okay, not only utility, so they should have some value. Okay, the things are needed things which are having utility and also the value, then also that is called as the resource. Okay, so here also it is given that all the resources have some value. Okay, so value means what? Worth. So we must pay for that or we must buy for that. So that means what? The things which are having the utility, that means utility means what? Just usage. Usage by the human beings. Okay, which are useful for daily needs. So that is called as utility. And also value. Value should be there. So these 2 things are there means, say, then that thing is considered as the resource. Next, so very important thing is, so here the patent. one word is given here, the patent. So it means the exclusive right over any idea or invention. So what is the meaning for this patent? So uh, example, suppose example, okay, Dharmavaram is there in Anantapur district. We can see here Dharmavaram. Okay, so Dharmavaram is famous for silk sarees. Okay, silk sarees. So Dharmavaram is famous for silk sarees. That means in the Dharmavaram we can see most of the peoples are doing this kind of work. That is selling of silk sarees. Okay, silk products, mainly the silk textiles. Okay, so here the Dharmavaram people has got a patent right. Patent right, nothing but the name Dharmavaram sarees. Okay, so Dharmavaram sarees, that should be used by only Dharmavaram people, not the other people. Example, suppose if you are residing in Hyderabad, okay, then you are making some clothes or you are making some you are making some silk sarees. Then you can't use that. So our sarees are Dharmavaram silk sarees. Okay, so that is the against to the patent right. So who are the real producers of any product or resource, that persons have this patent right. Okay, so patent right means this is the special right given by a particular person who has a new idea or any new invention. So we know that the Dharmavaram sarees are very famous and it is having much demand. Lot of demand will be there. Okay, throughout the world, wherever you go, you can see this name. Next, suppose if you see this Pochampalli, you know that in Telangana. So you can see this Pochampalli. So Pochampalli. So Pochampalli, Ikat sarees are there. Pochampalli Ikat sarees, they are present in Telangana. So this is having a lot of demand around the world. These are the famous things. So the name Pochampalli Ikat sarees, this name should be used by only Pochampalli people. Okay, not the other regions people. They can't sell with the same name. Okay, the same name should not be used by other people. Of course, there may be the sarees will be the same name, but the Pochampalli Ikat sarees, the subject should not be used by the same by the other persons. So that kind of right is called as patent right. So here, some of the resources are having some patent rights. Okay, okay, patents rights are there. Example here, if you see here, um, example in Telangana, we can see one thing. Collieries were there, coal is there. What is there means Singareni, example. Singareni coal. It is also having a lot of demand in the world, worldwide. Their brand name is Singareni Coalfields or Collieries. Okay, so the name should not be used by any other state. Example here in Karnataka also coal is their example. Coal, they are mining coal. So as this lot of demand is there for Singareni coals, so they can't use the same name by these people. Okay, so these Singareni peoples and Singareni companies are having the patent right. The name should be used by only these people. So that is called as the patent right. Okay. So lot of things are not only these sarees or coals like that. So for everything, we can have this patent right. We can get this patent right from the governments mainly. Suppose if you are having any new invention or discovery, invention or any new idea, not the discoveries, inventions only. Okay, what is the difference between invention and discovery? Invention and discovery. So discovery is nothing but first whatever there already, that will be once again found by some other people. So any person who is going to find a new thing which is already there, that is called as discovery. Example, sea routes are there, or example in the forest some way will be there. So many people doesn't know that way. So that way will be discovered. Okay, we can't tell that invention. Invention is nothing but this is a new idea. New idea